This video will discuss in detail the complete keto diet guide for beginners. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet with numerous health benefits. Indeed, numerous studies show that this type of diet can aid in weight loss and overall health improvement. Ketogenic diets may even be beneficial in the treatment of diabetes, cancer, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's disease. Eating fat to burn fat. It sounds counterintuitive, but that's what makes the ketogenic diet so unique. Here's a step-by-step guide to the keto diet for beginners. Please stay to the end of the video to acquire a free 30-day meal plan for the ketogenic diet. As we jump right in, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share the video with family and friends. Part 1. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet that is similar to the Atkins and low-carb diets. It entails drastically lowering carbohydrate consumption and replacing it with fat. This carbohydrate restriction puts your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. This causes your body to become extremely efficient at burning fat for energy. It also converts fat to ketones in the liver, which can provide energy to the brain. Blood sugar and insulin levels can be significantly reduced by following a ketogenic diet. This, in addition to the increased ketones, has some health benefits. The ketogenic diet comes in different forms including 1. The standard ketogenic diet is a low carbohydrate, moderate protein, and high fat diet. It is typically composed of 70% fat, 20% protein, and 10% carbohydrates. 2. The cyclical ketogenic diet. This diet consists of 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high-carb days, which allows you to have periods of high-carb refeeds. 3. Targeted ketogenic diet. This diet allows you to eat carbohydrates in between workouts. 4. A high-protein ketogenic diet. It is similar to a standard ketogenic diet, but it contains more protein. Typically, the ratio is 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. Only the standard and high-protein ketogenic diets, however, have received extensive research. More advanced methods, such as cyclical or targeted ketogenic diets, are primarily used by bodybuilders or athletes. The information in this video is mostly applicable to the standard ketogenic diet, but many of the same principles apply to the other versions as well. Please note we have included a free downloadable keto diet checklist in the description below for your convenience. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a metabolic state in which your body burns fat for fuel rather than carbohydrates. It happens when you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake, limiting your body's supply of glucose or sugar, which is the primary source of energy for the cells. The most effective way to enter ketosis is to follow a ketogenic diet. In general, this entails limiting carbohydrate consumption to 20 to 50 grams per day and focusing on fats such as meat, fish, eggs, nuts, and healthy oils. It's also critical to limit your protein intake. This is due to the fact that if you consume a lot of protein, it can be converted into glucose, which can slow down your ketosis transition. Intermittent fasting may also help you enter ketosis more quickly. There are many different types of intermittent fasting, but the most common method involves limiting food intake to around 8 hours per day and fasting for the rest of the day. Check out our other videos on intermittent fasting. There are blood, urine, and breath tests that can help you determine whether you've entered ketosis by measuring the amount of ketones produced by your body. Certain symptoms, such as increased thirst, dry mouth, frequent urination, and decreased hunger or appetite, may also indicate that you've entered ketosis. A ketogenic diet is a very effective way to lose weight and reduce disease risk factors. In fact, research suggests that the ketogenic diet may be just as effective as a low-fat diet for weight loss. Furthermore, the diet is so filling that you can lose weight without counting calories or keeping track of what you eat. A meta-analysis of 13 studies found that a very low carbohydrate, a ketogenic diet was slightly more effective for long-term weight loss than a low-fat diet. People who followed the keto diet lost an additional 2 pounds than those who followed a low-fat diet. It also resulted in lower diastolic blood pressure and triglyceride levels. Another study of 34 older adults discovered that those who followed a ketogenic diet for 8 weeks lost nearly 5 times the total body fat as those who followed a low-fat diet. Increased ketones, lower blood sugar levels, and improved insulin sensitivity could all play a role. So yes, you are in good hands. To customize your own keto diet, check the link in the description below. Other health benefits of the keto diet include 1. The ketogenic diet can help reduce heart disease and risk factors such as body fat, HDL, good cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. 2. Cancer, because it may help slow tumor growth. The diet is currently being investigated as an additional cancer treatment also. 3. Alzheimer's, the keto diet may help reduce Alzheimer's disease symptoms and slow its progression. 4. Epilepsy, according to research, the ketogenic diet can significantly reduce seizures in epileptic children. 5. Parkinson's disease, although more research is needed, one study discovered that the diet helped improve Parkinson's disease symptoms. 6. The ketogenic diet can also aid in the reduction of insulin levels. 7. Trauma to the brain, according to some studies. The diet may improve the outcomes of traumatic brain injuries. If you like this video, kindly give us a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. And let us know in the comment section what other videos you would like to see. Part 2. Foods to avoid. All carbohydrate-rich foods should be avoided. On a ketogenic diet, the following foods must be reduced or eliminated. 1. Sugary foods including soda, fruit juice, smoothies, cake, ice cream, and candy, among other things. 2. Grains and starches include wheat-based products, rice, pasta, cereal, and so on. 3. Fruit, all fruit, with the exception of small amounts of berries such as strawberries. 4. Peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, parsnips, and other root vegetables and tubers. Low-fat or diet items include mayonnaise, salad dressings, and condiments. Barbecue sauce, honey mustard, teriyaki sauce, ketchup, and other condiments or sauces. Unhealthy fats include processed vegetable oils, mayonnaise, and other condiments. Alcohol, beer, wine, liquor, mixed drinks. Sugar-free diet foods, sugar-free candies, syrups, puddings, sweeteners, and desserts should all be avoided. To get a detailed version of what kinds of foods you can and cannot eat on a ketogenic diet, watch our video on it. The link will be left in the description below. Foods to eat. You should base the majority of your meals around these foods. Meat such as red meat, steak, ham, sausage, bacon, chicken, and turkey. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna, and mackerel. Eggs, pastured or omega-3 whole eggs. Butter and cream, grass-fed butter and heavy cream. Cheese, unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream, blue, or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and chia seeds. Healthy oils, extra virgin, olive oil, and avocado oil. Avocados, whole avocados or freshly made guacamole. Low-carb veggies, green veggies, tomatoes, onions, peppers, etc. Condiments, salt, pepper, herbs, and spices can all be eaten on a keto diet. Part 3. Keto tips and tricks. Although getting started on the ketogenic diet can be challenging at first, there are several tips and tricks that can help you overcome and achieve your weight loss goals. Begin by reading food labels and calculating the grams of fat, carbs, and fiber to see how your favorite foods can fit into your diet. Meal planning ahead of time can also be beneficial and help you save time throughout the week. Many websites, food blogs, apps, and cookbooks also provide keto-friendly recipes and meal ideas that you can use to create your own personalized menu. Alternatively, for a quick and convenient way to enjoy keto meals at home, some meal delivery services even offer keto-friendly options. When you're pressed for time, consider healthy frozen keto meals. When attending social gatherings or visiting family and friends, consider bringing your own food, which can make it much easier to curb cravings and stick to your meal plan. Some common mistakes of the keto diet. 1. Excessive use of fat. Have you heard that fat is free food on the keto diet, or that eating more fat will help you lose fat? The truth is that consuming too much fat prevents your body from using stored fat for energy. So, if you're trying to lose weight, limit your intake of fat. 2. Excessive consumption of nuts and dairy products. Keto-friendly foods include most nuts and some dairy products, such as cheese and Greek yogurt. However, if you eat too many of them, the carbs and calories can quickly add up, and these tasty foods are easy to overdo. Keep portion sizes small for the best results. We have included a link to a portion size plate in the description below. 3. Increasing ketone levels. When you are in nutritional ketosis, your blood ketone levels are between 0.5 and 3.0 millimoles per liter. However, Higher levels don't appear to be any better than lower levels for weight loss. In fact, you don't necessarily need to be in ketosis to lose weight. Lastly, fear of consuming too much protein. Do you worry that eating a lot of meat, eggs, and other high-protein foods will cause gluconeogenesis, literally creating new glucose and raise your blood sugar? You don't need to be. Protein appears to have little to no effect on blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, according to research. Next is keto flu and some side effects. After a few weeks or so on a keto diet, you should feel great and have plenty of energy. However, the first few days to weeks can be challenging as your body transitions from primarily burning glucose to primarily burning fat for fuel. When your body undergoes this transformation, you may experience what is known as the keto flu. It occurs as a result of changes in your body's fluid and mineral balance when you begin eating very few carbs. Some keto flu symptoms include fatigue, headache, irritability, motivational deficit, difficulty concentrating, also known as brain fog, dizziness, cramps in the muscles, and less energy for strenuous exercise. Fortunately, you can prevent these symptoms from occurring by replenishing with fluids, lots of drinking water, and refueling with a lot of electrolytes. Check the description below for keto electrolyte supplements. Drinking a cup or two of salty broth or being liberal with the salt shaker are both effective strategies. Also, keep in mind that these symptoms are only temporary. Symptoms should fade quickly as your body adjusts to its new energy source, fat rather than sugar. Check with your doctor before beginning a keto diet if you take any of the following medications. Medications for diabetes. Medications for high blood pressure. In general, you should consult your doctor before making any significant dietary or lifestyle changes. A keto diet may not be suitable for you if you are breastfeeding. Without following a strict keto diet, you can still limit unnecessary carbs. Cutting carbs is the most effective way to achieve ketosis. Other actions, such as consuming coconut oil or exercising while fasting, may also be beneficial. Quick and simple methods, such as using special urine strips, can tell you whether you're still in ketosis or if your diet needs to be adjusted. When you first begin keto, the list of rules governing what you can and cannot eat may appear daunting. It's critical to educate yourself on what high-carb foods, such as legumes or starchy root vegetables, can sneak up on you. The 30-day meal plan will be left in the description below. Just remember to not give up on yourself before you see results. And you are beautiful as you are regardless of what others think of you, or even what you think about yourself. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more content. Like and share.